雪崩了，我得记录好雪崩。
现在雪崩，对呀、这是雪崩啊！好，起来，可以下来！哦，快点！我的妈，这。
Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, check out these other videos from USA Today to stay up to date with all the latest news.